What if I told you you could make a woman feel drawn to you without touching her? No tricks, no games, just presence. Attraction that begins in the mind and never fades. 1. Attraction begins in the mind. Most men think attraction is physical, but the real pull starts in silence. It's built through energy, voice, and presence. She feels you before she knows why. 2. Make her feel seen. Every woman wants to be noticed for who she is. Remember the small things. Listen not to reply, but to understand. When she feels safe in your silence, she opens. That's when she connects. 3. Be the quiet challenge. Don't be too easy to reach. A man who values his time creates gravity. You're not playing games. You have structure. Your attention is earned, not given. That's masculine restraint, quiet power. 4. Speak with calm power. Your tone speaks louder than your words. Slow down. Breathe. Let each word land. Silence between sentences is confidence. Power isn't loud, it's steady. 5. Use suggestive language. You don't flirt. You intrigue. There's something intriguing about you. I can't quite place it. That mystery stays in her mind. Ask questions that open her world. Connection in the mind lasts longer than touch. 6. The eyes. Your quiet weapon. Look at her. Really look. Hold your gaze softly, longer than usual. Let her see you see her. If she looks away, let her. When she looks back, smile. Presence like that is unforgettable. Attraction doesn't begin with touch. It begins with presence, with silence. A man who masters calm becomes unforgettable. If this message spoke to you, subscribe to Silent Stoic to grow stronger, calmer, and more grounded every day.